We think that means it's 9 a.m. What do you think?
I think it means a child's been born.
It's something.
Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Welcome to Prague, city where dreams are made of, and $100 can get you 22,000 crowns. Here, if you look over, there's a lot of water, another bridge. We also have castles and cold babies. Oh God. Sorry, buddy.
So since it's really cold and we're kind of tired of walking all over, we are going to go to the mall in New Town, Prague. It is the biggest shopping center in the area, so I'm pretty excited. This is it right here. This pink building, there's sale signs on the outside, and yo girl loves a sale. Pushing the babe. He's not happy because he too is very cold. But yeah, let's see what I find.
I don't know. We don't want it.
Are you sure you don't want the strawberry?
I'm shuffling my strawberry.
This is weird.
So tell everybody what you're eating, Susan.
Ice cream churro, Czech style. Oh, take a cool picture of me just eating ice cream in Prague.
You guys act like you'll never come back.
Oh no, it wasn't that fun.